GGBO 22 has not been announced just yet, but I expect it like any day. And I've been thinking, you know, with this year, it's going to be a participation prize. I don't have any crazy ideas. All the tricks I had up my sleeve, I've already used. You know, I was thinking, I don't even know what the hell I'm going to do. I have just barely started this short scale base, and pretty much all I did was put the top together. Yeah, curvy lap dancer. Bloodwood and white limba. My awesome source of badass exotic woods is kind of drying up. It's kind of hard for them to get a lot of the things that I really want in. No Wenge. I haven't seen any Red Heart. There's not much. But white limba they hadn't had before, and they had this big stick of it, so I grabbed it. Just got started on this, and I wasn't planning on mentioning the fact, but this one, there's some things about the guitar I made for my son that I'm not 100% sure I'm super happy with. Partly, alright, I happen to have the leftovers from his guitar from last year. And I stumbled into this nice big fat ass sexy piece of ash. So I was thinking curvy lap dancer with all the awesome features that I've tried on the last two that turned out to be so fantastic that I kind of want. Whichever one of these turns out best will be the one that goes to my son. Or maybe he'll get to choose which one he wants. I'm not sure, but the arm carve that we did on the lap dancers, the last couple, and the most notably the asymmetrical neck carve are things that I want to have on a guitar for him because I think he would dig the hell out of it. So my plan at the moment is probably a hardtail curvy lap dancer with ash, wenge, and I got enough Red Heart left over. I'm kind of thinking about a Red Heart neck with a wenge core and ash runners. It's kind of what I'm thinking. So I don't know what pickups I'm going with yet, but I'm kind of thinking super stratish, you know, Hummer on the bridge and a single coil on the neck is what I'm thinking. And probably DiMarzio, but I don't know. But I have this gorgeous piece of Cerakote, which is too thin for a fretboard, so I'm thinking we might book match that and do a book matched fretboard. And between two different pieces of wenge that aren't gonna really line up, I was thinking about sandwiching in like a 1/4 inch of Red Heart. So on the wenge part, there will be the thin little line down the middle. I don't know. I've got some ideas, but I think that's what we're doing for GGBO 22. So I'm not starting anything until it's been announced, just because I don't want to. I want to try to keep the videos relatively up to date this time. I'm going to try. I know I've been terrible lately. I'm going to try. I'm going to do my best. This guy has been done for a while, and he's been hanging up there. And I still haven't finished the videos on it. I'm doing them. I promise. I swear. I'm sorry. It will get done, because this turned out absolutely fantastic. I love the neck on this. And for my first set neck, it turned out pretty awesome. So I think this one's going to be set neck. I planned on neck through for that short scale base. But this one, the Red Heart I have left, is not long enough for that. So I think will be another set neck. And doing a Red Heart neck all by itself was pretty fun. So I think it's going to be a cool build. But regardless, GGBO is always a boatload of fun. So if they don't announce something soon, we'll just be cracking on the base. But I'm excited. This idea has me all super excited, and I want to work on it. But I don't want to even make the first cut until we're getting cracking. Now, I had planned this time to do a lot less talking and a lot more building. This time. You know, each build, try something a little different. This time maybe a little less instruction, unless there's weird shit, and sometimes there's weird shit. But for the most part, I think I'm gonna less yakking and more working. So yeah, I know what you're thinking. I know me too, and it's not, you know, kind of in my wheelhouse to just shut up and work. But yeah, I'm a talker. We'll see how it goes. Like, subscribe, watch. Maybe I'm jumping the gun. I don't know. We'll see. But it will be fun.